just a quick fix job. I have to put cornice all over there and all over there as well. And then the kitchen is going to get spray painted. Just have to quickly sort this out before it gets spray painted. Let's see how it goes. So first one's going to go like this. And look at that. Second one like that. Third one like that. Just going to mitre bond this first. And let's see how it goes. This job site is really helpful, by the way. Yeah. Okay, that's not bad. Number one done. Look at the face of this. Yeah, press this in. It's not so bad, okay. That's spot on as well.